Is it difficult for you to read? You can try this. Are you ready? Let's begin. These are the letter B CVC words. Bag, bed, box, bib, bug. Type the missing consonant in each picture word. Bag. The missing consonant is letter G and it sounds G. Now it's your turn. B, bug. Bag, bag. Bot, bot. Bin. Type the missing consonant in each picture word. Ag, bag. The missing consonant is letter B and it sounds B. Now it's your turn. Ib, bib. Ed, bed. Bug, bug. Ox, box. Type the missing vowel in each picture word. G. The missing vowel is letter A and it sounds A. Now it's your turn to type. Bed. Ox, box. Bib. Bug. Type the name of the following pictures. Bin. Bat. Ox, box. Bag. Bed. Top each CVC word. Bun, bed, bag, box, bin. Type the following CVC words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Box, bin, bag, bed, bun. Up next, letter C, CVC words. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe for more videos.